Another fun thing about Windows 3.1 is how it enables you to do better things with tools. This morning we announced our Visual Basic product, and one of the things I like about this is it makes it possible for me, even with my limited time, to do fun Windows programming. I wrote a little application here. It's a little calendar application that lets you move around and see different dates. But right now, let's add a couple of neat little features to that. The way to do that is to take this form, which is the user interface, just go over and click on a button and go and drag that down here. And now all I have to do to change the name of that is type in a little bit of text. Now in the past, pulling together a nice looking form like this in the code was quite complex. But in this tool, all I do is double click on the button and I get up a little window that lets me type in some simple code that will be executed when you click on that button. Actually, I'm using a macro to type that in so I don't make a typing mistake. Okay, there we have a nice little thing we call Plan A. Let's close that down and put some code behind this. And in this case, we'll also change some of the calendar display when this button is clicked on. Now all we have to do to test out that code and see if it works is to give the run command, and it's compiled up very, very quickly. And here we can see the application is running. If we want to move forward month by month, we just click here, or move back, or move forward a year at a time, or move back a year at a time, or move it back to today's date. So that's pretty simple stuff. These new little buttons I've added, though, give us a really unique feature. Right now, the holidays and weekends are displayed in a nice gray color, like we see Memorial Day right there. If you want to have a really hard work schedule, you just click on this Plan A button, and immediately all the weekends and even the holidays are turned into work days. And if you really, really fall behind, you click here on Plan B, and somehow we've added these unusual days. It should let software developers get more stuff done.